Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you. Before we get into this though, I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers, new and old. I appreciate each and every one of you. You don't know how much it means to me for you to watch the videos, for you to comment. It does. It really means a lot to me. I've been doing this channel now for about 4.5 years, and it's been a struggle and it has been a job, but I have enjoyed it. So, all right. Anyway, this comes to me from Diamondartgift. So, I actually already ripped the bag so that I could see who it was from. So, the first thing that I got... Let me get in here. Just open. Well, alright. So the first one here is a partial, and it's a special shape. It comes with your basic toolkit, which is a green boat, a square of wax, and a single placer pen. It's all you need to diamond paint. That's it. You don't need anything fancy or expensive. This right here is all you need to do any diamond painting ever. But once you start doing this, you're going to want all the things. So, we will look at these in just a second. So, what I got was this little guy. And if you have been following me, you know I love my gnomes, even though I have cut back on getting any of them. But when I do see one that I haven't got or I think is pretty neat, I'll go ahead and snatch it up. So this is a 30 by 30, and this is called Sunflower Cowboy Goblin, and he was $4.99. And like I said, he is a partial, so none of this has got sticky on it. The boots just around the edges have got sticky on it. So, not everything. When we say partial, it just means that it's not a full, the whole thing isn't diamond painted. Just parts of the picture. So, I'm going to pull this back a little bit so I can just flatten these wrinkles out. It's not that bad. So, he's got 10 special shapes. And he's got a schematic up here in the top right and in the bottom left. And then there's the thumbnail. He's pretty sticky from what I felt of his boot. So, let's look at the gems real quick. I don't normally show the regular drills, but most of the time I do show the special shapes if I don't have a whole bunch to show. So, we'll go from the back so that y'all can see what they look like. So, we've got some gold. We've got these. I don't know what the color actually is. I just call them like a peacock color. And then we've got some more gold, which are small. We've got these large half gold pearls. We have some clear, more clear. These are like a orangey red. Then we have a gold and green, and there was another clear there. So, I love these little things. I do. If you've never done a partial special shape before, you ought to, because they are really fun. They're different. You're still diamond painting, but it's just different. So, this was the first one that I got. And like I said, he was $4.99 at Diamondartgift. Okay, so see what this next one is. I ordered these back in December, and I just got them actually today. So I almost don't remember what I got. Alright, so this is another partial, as you can see. But it does have just your basic toolkit. And it has the special gems that we're going to look at here in just a second. Let me roll this back to get some of the... so it'll lay flatter anyway. Now this one was called Elegant Lady. She was also $4.99. And she is a 30 by 40. And she is also a special shape partial. I thought she was really pretty. I've got a few of these angel ones, but there's so many of them. I'd like to be able to collect them all eventually. But is she not pretty? And as you can see, you don't diamond paint her face or her arms or the butterfly. It's kind of like outlining is what we're doing. Just outlining and adding some special effects. So she only has 7 gems, but she does have the schematic on the top left, bottom right. I'm sorry about the glare. My husband just left for work, and I usually do my videoing while he's at work, so there's no distractions. So, here's the gems that go with this. So, we've got some gold, some light blue, purples, the silver, and I just love this color. They're just really, really pretty. We've got some purple round, and then these itty bitty little purple slivers. I'm not real fond of the slivers, but they do make the pictures really, really pretty. Alright. So again, this one on Diamondartgift's page or website is Elegant Lady, and she was $4.99 also. Alright, so the last thing that I have is something new. I've not ever seen this one. But this is a clock. Now, on their website, it's called a DIY crystal clock kit. And it was $6.99. So, there's different ones, but I picked this one out. So we have got a bag with all the clock mechanisms in it. And you can see it does take a AA battery. Okay, and then here's the instructions. Thank goodness. Alright. You get just a typical toolkit, and that's weird. That's about the first time I've ever seen a square of wax that color pink. It's not the clear pink, it's not the dark pink, it's just a very light pink. But it's your typical toolkit. So the drills, let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We've got some small black, and then we've got larger black, small silver, large silver, some pink, and some like very like almost coffee color brown. So there's those. Where's he at? So it's a Boston Terrier. That's why I got it. But I thought he was just absolutely cute. So it's got a plastic film on him. And you just take that film off. pull it backwards. You diamond paint everything, and then after you get done with the diamond painting portion, then you're going to put the clock mechanism in, put the hands on here, bolt it in, and yeah. So he looks like he has like a piece that, like maybe that hangs down from this piece. So anyway, he is very cute. Let me see if I can pull up. Let me see, I gotta go in my emails. And this is from, alright, hold on. Wrong one. Okay, so this is what he looks like. And okay, so that long piece, it connects in the back and it helps it stand up. Okay, all right, so this is what he looks like from the front and the back. And then that's what it looks like completed. But isn't that cute? And like I said, he's on sale right now for $6.99. And like I said, this is from Diamond Art Gift. Very neat. Like I said, I've seen clocks, Diamond Art clocks, but I've not seen one like this. So I wanted to get it, not only because he was a Boston Terrier, and if you've been following me, you know I have 2 Boston Terriers, and they are my babies. So anything Boston Terrier, I grab a hold of. But I just thought this was neat. So I'll do this one, and I'll put it together, and I'll come back in another video and do a review on it and show y'all what this looks like. But again, this was $6.99 for the clock. For the Elegant Lady was $4.99. And for the Sunflower Cowboy Gnome was also $4.99. So I will leave a link to these in my description box, along with any discounts or anything that I have. But they are running some sales, so go check out Diamond Art Gift's website, which I will leave in the link also. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next one, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.